In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to integrate Hubspot with FlashRev. So in order to do that, you click on a logo on the right side and open up the settings. And on the left side, you see the system settings, and just below there, you see CRM integration. You click on it and you see Hubspot. If you click connect, there's a pop-up window coming up, and you can choose your own Hubspot organization here, and you click choose account. Then if you choose connect app, it's gonna automatically connect your Hubspot with FlashRev. And if you see account connected text here, and if you see the manage button here, that means those two systems are successfully connected. And if you open up manage, this is gonna open up the settings for you. You can choose data settings and push settings, as well as you go to mapping. You can map out a FlashRev field and Hubspot field according to based on different objects. Yep, this is pretty much it for the integration. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.